In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 to an unsupported PC. This install will also let you create a local account and remove all bloatware, including Microsoft Edge. So let's get right into the tutorial. First, I recommend unplugging all external drives to not cause confusion. Then insert a USB flash drive that is at least 8 GB. Then you'll want to go to this link. Scroll down to the Create Windows 11 Installation Media option and press the download button. Now go to your File Explorer. Then go to the downloaded file and double click. If the app asks for a Windows permission, then push yes. Click accept. And if you want Windows in another language, you are able to change it here. Otherwise, click next. USB flash drive should be selected, and click next. Now you want to select the USB drive you want to install it to. There should be only one option, because earlier I told you to unplug everything to not cause confusion. Now you're gonna have to wait for quite a while. So after it's done installing and you click finish, you want to go to this website. So you want to click the download button on the top right. After, click the download anyway button. And if your browser tells you this file isn't safe, just click keep anyway. Now you want to navigate to where the XML file is. You want to copy the file. And you want to paste it in the USB. Now you want to push the eject button. Now you can remove the USB and put it into the computer you want to install Windows 11 on. If you want to install it on the current computer you're using, just plug it back in. Please note that installing Windows 11 will delete everything on your PC, so make sure to save any files you want to an external drive. Now put the USB into the computer you want Windows 11 to be installed to. Press the Windows button on your computer. Then navigate to the power button and click restart. Right after, you want to start spamming the F12 key until you see the boot menu screen. On the boot option menu, you want to navigate to the USB device and press enter. Now you're gonna have to wait for a while. Do not touch the computer until the Wi-Fi screen comes up. After you connect to a Wi-Fi network, you'll then be prompted to make a local account. With a local account, you don't even have to use a password, but I recommend against this for most people. If you want to delete Microsoft Edge, first get a new browser. And once it's done downloading, go to settings and then install the apps. Then you'll have the option to uninstall Microsoft Edge. If your computer is buggy or having problems, go to the Windows Update menu and press the Download and Install All button. When you're done installing those updates, go to Advanced Options and then Optional Updates. And then you'll see driver updates, and you might have a lot, so download them all. I also highly recommend downloading VLC Media Player, as even the Windows Media Legacy Player isn't that great. So now you have the perfect install of Windows 11.